Hi everyone, I'm David, welcome to my channel. This has to be the best toolkit I could find. Now I've been in the game for 15 years and this was one of the best sets I've put my hands on in a while. Mostly because of this screwdriver, because of the extra torque you can get at a fuse board. Basically with this extra piece, it's like a flat crossed with a star, and the extra torque you can get from that is quite surprising. Nice good grip, and you can see I've had this for quite a few months. It's got wet and it's been used quite a lot. That's still little signs of wearing. Now this kit is a 6-piece set which does not come with a screwbox driver, which you see at the bottom of the screen, or the voltage indicator seen here at the top. It all comes in a nice wee carry case, which is perfect for carrying in and out. I also have added a volt stick. That does not come with this set, but it fits perfectly in here. Together this makes the ultimate screws. If you're interested in buying any of these items, links will be in the description below. I hope this was some use to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.